Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix the unable to connect EA server error in Stake.
Fix 1. Check EA server status. Step 1. Go to EA server status. Step 2. Select your game, Skate. Step 3. If servers are down, wait until EA restores them. Fix 2. Restart your device and router. Step 1. Turn off your console PC and router. Step 2. Wait 1-2 minutes. Step 3. Turn them back on and try connecting again. Fix 3. Clear cache EA app console. For EA app, Step 1. Press Win+R, type %program data %EA desktop, and delete the cache folder. Step 2. Restart the EA app. For console, Step 1. Power off your console completely. Step 2. Unplug for 30 seconds. Fix 4. Disable firewall or antivirus, PC only. Step 1. Temporarily turn off your antivirus firewall. Step 2. Launch Skate and check the connection. Step 3. If it works, add Skate and EA app as firewall exceptions. Fix 5. Log out and log back into EA account. Step 1. Open the EA app or console login screen. Step 2. Log out of your account. Step 3. Log back in and relaunch Skate.